He walked away. Pretty good.
Missed one?
Missed one. Seven out of 10, just pointing and just holding it and shooting it. I mean, for a weapon that's made in the 80s, it's a single pack. I actually like it. It's a double action. You need to try this.
Try that?
Oh, you go 380? Yeah, I'll try it. You got it loaded?
Yeah. It's got 8 rounds.
I missed half of them. The trigger with the little safety on there, it pinched my finger one time. That's why I jerked. Yeah. It's weird, man. I never walk and everybody has the same thing. It just pinched my finger a little bit. Here.
Dagger. I think I'm gonna do 2 more. I think I'm gonna do 2 more. Let me call it cool.
You like this better with the...
You know what?
Do what?
I could have swore I hit that one. I thought I hit it twice because I thought I heard it go ting. I might have been hitting the metal underneath it. Probably, no, my luck, I was. But I gotta be honest, I like this better than the original.
Really?
The E-Seris is so much better than the regular CSX, in my opinion.
Here comes straight.
Huh?
He likes it better with the compensator on it.
This I can't wait to see.
Yeah.
He's gonna try to show me up is what it is. Hey, good on, if he does, good on him. I'm happy for him. Nope. Fine. He's low.
Low.
Leave him alone. He is going to attempt it again. You did. Hey, you did better that time, brother. I just fucking picked up my web. Oh well. Hey, but it runs. And again, this is the first mess up I've had with it.
You said 5 yards?
And that is the what? I can't see.
Ruger 380.
There you go, Security 380. So, we're using this target I got off Temu. So you're jerking or slapping the trigger, breaking wrist downward, and you're going to this direction.
I'm going too fast.
I don't know.
Go
Right.
on. Come on.
So, what'd you say about this?
First time we've had it out of the box. Today.
I didn't know. I thought we had already shot this once. Cool. All right, I got to shoot your new. I got to shoot your new gun.
You did.
And you're using your dad's Dagger with a carbine. Take your time. Flinched. Hey, come over a little square on the target. There you go.
Uh-oh.
All right, drop your magazine. First thing, remember, always drop your magazine. Put it in your pocket. That way you don't drop it. You got both hands to work it. Okay. You might have limp wrist that a little bit. I don't know. I'm taking a guess. All right. Take your time now. That's it. All right, I bet you it's that ammo. Hold on. I want you to take your time. Good? Empty? Alright, so the footage before this, you had a 9mm pistol and had 380 ammo is what the problem was. So let's go look. Do you want me to film this for you or no?
It's really long.
Alright, so you got in a little bit of a rush. You're good in the 9s. You had one where your wrist broke up a little and then you might have had your finger in a little too far.
Okay.
Or too little, not enough I should say. I'm not too far. Because it says too little. That means you weren't on the meat, you were probably out here a little further. Okay?
Okay.
That's what this is for. Remember to breathe too. So you gotta inhale, exhale with your squeeze. Okay? Come over just a little bit, right on the target. There you go, brother. Take your time. Keep your grip firm, not deathly. Whatever you did, do it again. Alright, grab that other
6.
fish. I am filming.
What?
Keys, please.
For what?
AC.
It's not gonna blow cold unless we're moving. I can roll the windows down.
Okay.
I'm not wasting gas with the AC.
Hit it. You flinched.
Flinched.
I went back to my old habit.
Well, it's a new gun to you.
I went back to the old habit.